My name is Igor, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I travel to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. So today was particularly a hard day. We started out with a relatively short distance to drive, but it was extremely bumpy, and your insides just feel like they're clanging around. As soon as we got to the the camp, the hot spring here, we had lunch a little while later, and I just passed out. I just couldn't take it anymore, and I think I slept for more than 3 hours easy. I really like this place. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's countryside. You got the nice trees around. It's very, very different from the previous days when we were out in the desert. Suddenly everything is green grass, water. And it's really nice out here. It's peaceful. I think I'm just going to enjoy the silence. After another long day of driving, we finally made it to White Lake. So 40 minutes later, dinner is served.